Welcome back. Now in the Caribbean this evening, we're monitoring a couple of tropical waves in the open Caribbean. We're not seeing very significant weather activity associated with these waves, but they do have strong wind signature. We currently have one just over the central portion of the area, just towards the south of Hispaniola. There are some isolated showers associated with the northern portion of the axis of the system, and it is moving fairly slowly over the open waters of the Caribbean. It's likely to be moving into the Jamaica area sometime on Monday. Now, when we look towards the west, we'll see a broad area of clouds. We also have a weak trough system in the mid to upper levels that's helping to support this area of clouds. There are also isolated showers and thunderstorms associated, much of this affecting sections of western Cuba. Now, the forecast for tonight, expect generally fair skies across the island. Temperatures are expected to drop to about 26 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We're expecting a 5-knot wind from the north on the south coast, and on the north coast we're expecting the winds to be out of the east-southeast, also averaging about 5 knots. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy across the east, but generally fair elsewhere. And then for the afternoon, isolated shower activity is likely across sections of Westmoreland and Hanover. We also have some showers likely in St. Elizabeth. Temperatures are expected to reach 36 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy for most of the southeast tomorrow. Also in the southwest, partly cloudy conditions with the exception of Santa Cruz, which could see some isolated afternoon showers. Showers are also likely in the afternoon in Montego Bay and Lucy. Across the inland areas, we do have clouds likely in the afternoon. That's partly cloudy conditions for Bogwalk, Golden Spring, also Moco and Christiana. Some showers are possible if you're in Grange Hill or in Duncans. And then on the northeast, it's partly cloudy for much of the day. Now, the next few days, expect an increase in clouds, showers and possible thunderstorms on Monday. On Tuesday, there are isolated showers likely across sections of inland areas. And then it's partly cloudy in the morning on Wednesday, also partly cloudy in the afternoon. Now for the winds, they are easterly on the north coast tomorrow at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are 1 to 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-southeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, as wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And there's a small craft warning in effect for offshore areas for winds from the east at 20 to 25 knots, wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. Now we're likely to be continuing this small craft warning into Monday. Easterlies at 20 to 25 knots. Slight drop in the wind speeds Tuesday and Wednesday. Easterlies are expected at 15 to 20 knots. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.